Yes, good morning, students. So, today we are going to introduce with the chapter Viewing Presentation in Open Office Impress, that is open source software. So, let's start. See, after completion of this chapter, learners will be able to appreciate and understand the various presentation views such as normal, slide sorter view, notes view, slideshow view, etc. So these are the different types of views which are present in presentation software. Next topic is differentiate between different views and use them efficiently. Appreciate the use of shortcut key to open different views. So we will also see the different types of shortcut keys. Turbo and Dobo. Prepare a presentation using the tools learned in the previous chapter. They made a very effective and eye-catching presentation. Effective means attractive, eye-catching, effective, appealing, attractive. These are the same different words, but the meaning is same. By applying various transaction effects, adding narrations and timing the show, they went to computer lab to show the presentation to the computer teacher. Teacher, well done, Tobo and Dobo. You have made a very effective presentation. However, I want you to add notes to this presentation beside rearrange the order of few slides. Dobo, rearranging order of slides won't be easy. So, teacher said, it is easy if you use different presentation views. Dobo, what are presentation views? Dobo said, I guess I have some idea. Teacher, there are many views available in Impress to view presentation, which helps significantly in making the presentation. Beside, effective use of these views gives a professional appearance to the presentation. We can view a presentation in many different specific views like printing, arranging slides, sequence, adding some notes on the slide, etc. Now, presentation view. Few such presentation views are as follow: normal view, slide sorter view, notes view, slideshow view. Let us try to discover these views further. See, first we will go through what is normal view. This is a default and the main view in which we design and edit our presentations. Usually whenever a presentation is opened, it opens in this view. So whenever first time the presentation will be opened, it will open in the normal views. These are the various other views which are available in PowerPoint presentation or OpenOffice Impress. Normal view, slide sorter view, notes view and slideshow view. So we will see further how to open the slide in different views. As indicated in the screen below, this is the screen given. These are the different. However, if we wish to switch over to the normal view from any other view, following steps should be taken. Okay? Click on view in the menu bar. In the menu bar, here if you go in the menu bar, this is the menu bar. Okay? Here if you go, you will see different images. So go to the view option of the menu bar. View option of the menu bar. Okay? And click on normal. So normally this type of presentation is opened and by default this is the normal view. By default this is the normal view. These are the various slides available. This is the menu. and then what the next step is, click on the tab title normal, present on the view panel and show in the given diagram as shown in the given diagram. So these are the different slides available in the normal view. So this will immediately change the view to the normal view. Slide sorter view. See what are slide sorter. In this view, slides appear in the smaller form or a thumbnail forms. This view is very helpful if we wish to see all the slides together on the single screen in order to change the slide sequence or to take print out of the slides. Okay. Next is steps to watch over to the slides shorter view and the are following. So whatever the steps we are following here, these are the same steps you will follow in the OpenOffice Impress as to view the different slides in different views. Okay. So click on a view in the menu bar, click on a slide sorter to get the following display on the screen. So this will be displayed on the screen. Click on the tab title slide sorter, slide sorter tab. This is the slide sorter tab here. You just click it here. These are the various tabs. This one, 4 to 5 tabs are there. This is the slide sorter tab. When you click on this, it will be sorted in this order, right? So this will immediately change the view to slide sorter view. Okay? In a slide sorter view, slides will appear in the miniature form. We can change the slide order or sequence or by dragging the slides to the new position, right? To the new position. Steps to change the slide sequence are given below. See, select that slides which we want to bring back and forth. Press the left mouse button. Drag the mouse back or forth as required while holding it down. Release the button and release the button. Fourth slide is moved after the second slide in the above figure. Okay? Now see, these are the different types of slide sorter. We view anyone and open. The screen showing new slides order or a sequence after moving fourth slide after second slide. In this view, we can even change the number of slides that can be viewed in one horizontal row by specifying the desired number in the box as shown in the given diagram. So next time means what? This let us complete this. Now the next step is box to set the number of slides in one horizontal row. In this case, 5 slides can be seen in one horizontal row. See, in one horizontal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides will be presented in this order. Next is, in this case, 3 slides can be seen in one horizontal row. In a one horizontal row, 3 slides. Next horizontal row, 3 slides. Next horizontal row, 3 slides. In this way, the order is shown. Next time, in our next video, we will learn notes view. You can go through the notes view. If you have any problem, you can discuss me on the WhatsApp. Okay. So thank you for today. Thank you so much.